Hey, Mark Kohler here. Thanks for taking a quick moment and watching this video. I promise it won't be a waste of your time. I'll keep it brief and to the point. Now, the person that sent you this information below is talking about March 16th, a Saturday, where I'm going to be talking about tax and legal planning, small business building. You're going to love it. Now, I'm a CPA, attorney, small business owner, a blogger, radio show host, podcast, whatever. Anyway, what I do is go around the country when I'm not in the office in my law firm and accounting firm, teaching tax and legal strategies. And it's really more than that. It's not just structuring your LLC or S Corp or putting your family on payroll or self-directing your IRA or my top 5 tax strategies for 2019. It's bigger than that. It's building your business, whether it's real estate, online marketing, a consulting service, a product, distribution, manufacturing, all of that is part of that American dream. And I'm going to be talking about ways that I know you can build your business and save taxes and structure it better. You're going to love it. Now, there's no extra, sales pitch to a boot camp in Vegas where you get the real information from me. No, I'm going to be there all day with a whiteboard. I want you to bring your questions, a yellow pad to write on, and you can learn more if you want. Renatus is such a cool online education program with 20, 30 instructors and all sorts of classes you can watch later. But just come out Saturday. It's a nominal cost to learn about the small business dream and real estate investing. You'll love it. So March 16th, I'll see you there, and we're going to save some money and work on our dream.